In the business world, standing out is crucial. Creative thinking allows us to find unique solutions to challenges and create meaningful values in this industry. In the creative and innovative thinker subjects, we're not just learning, we're working with industry to build a portfolio that speaks volume to our creative capabilities.
My name is Timo Kugler. I'm one of the two co-founders of Foodini. We built a startup around the idea of dietary needs and helping people with dietary needs to find the right food. We represent a startup as an industry partner for the program. So we'll open our doors to people from the program to kind of get a look under the hood of what happens at a startup and how creative thinking and innovative thinking plays a big role in what we do. We always looking for people who are willing to learn. Because even as founders, every day we're confronted with new problems. We learn new things every day and we have to put them in context.
Through the Creative and Innovative Thinkers program, the students can expect to visit our office and we can work on projects together. Previously and currently as well, Omron is still supporting with Western Sydney University's and Factory to Future's vision to create an immersive and hands-on experience learning for the students through TIES program.
As stated by the World Economic Forum, by 2025, 50% of employees will require reskilling. In our new subject, Creative and Innovative Thinkers, we will prioritise the development of future-orientated skills, and we will collaborate with industry partners to test the effectiveness of the skills in real-world scenarios.
Monetizing creative skills and self-marketing is the future. Humanities students are essential with their creative approach to solving problems. In this subject, we're being exposed to real industry projects and gaining hands-on experience from professionals in the forefront of innovation.
For us in computer and mathematical science, creativity isn't just about aesthetics. It's about finding inventive ways to solve complex problems. Being a creative thinker means turning ideas into tangible products.
In science, employers are looking for students who can approach problems from different angles and come up with solutions that push the boundaries of what we know. By enrolling in the Creative and Innovative Thinkers subject, we're extending beyond our scientific skill set and we're positioning ourselves as the dynamic and problem-solving candidates that employers are looking for.
We are excited about the opportunity to work with you in the Creative and Innovative Thinkers subject.